My name is Shelley Powell, and my company is Covenant Cleaning Services. We are here in the local Orlando area. We perform residential and commercial cleaning services for the interior of buildings, and we've been in business now for 21 years. I believe what makes our company different is we do believe that where service is our pledge is true. So that goes everywhere from the quality of individuals that we hire to taking care of any issues as they arise with a client. I think when there's a problem is our best moment to shine, and we always want to follow through with great service no matter what. When I started my business, I realized there were operational information that I needed to know, more about how to operate QuickBooks, more about how to interact with customers. And that desire is what led me to wanting to take courses from the SBDC. I have utilized a lot that the SBDC has to offer us, from initially classes to learning more about understanding financial statements to actually seeking assistance of how to get a business plan, to file for a SBA loan in order to purchase a property that my business is located at. That opportunity opened up so many doors for me, and I have just learned a tremendous amount through the SBDC. Since I began working with the SBDC, I have had tremendous and amazing changes in my company. Everything from an increase in sales of as high one year as 45%. I have changed from higher commercial sales and increase that portion of our business to where now we're 60% commercial and 40% residential. We have gone from 23 employees up to now we're at 38 employees. We have had so many wonderful changes, and included in those is being profitable. I have a budget now that I'm following, and that makes all the difference in the world when it comes to your numbers on the bottom line. So all of those wonderful things have happened as a result of truly connecting with the SBDC. As we continue to grow here at Covenant Cleaning Services, we are looking to add 10 more employees by the end of this year, to where we'll be right around that 50 number of employees, which is incredible when you think that this business started with just a cleaning bucket. And I know a lot of that came from the encouragement that I've gotten through the SBDC. We will continue to grow, and our goals are to reach $1 million in sales and get there. And I know with the help and guidance that we'll be able to do so, because we have a plan now in place. I am a walking commercial for the SBDC. I am on a board for a chamber. I'm on a board for a networking group. I'm active in my community, and I meet a lot of business people. And I am constantly telling people, check out the SBDC. If I hear somebody starting a new business, I want to encourage them to do that, because it has brought so much more enrichment to my company. So I would be your biggest cheerleader out there telling them, please contact. It's inexpensive and it's worth every penny, especially as a new business owner starting out.